Right, hi there. Welcome to another update from IntoU, from myself, John and Liane.
Hi.
We just thought we'd mention that we've, firming up the details on the first pilot sessions that we've got running on the 3rd and 17th of July. So we've found and booked a really nice venue. It's the Lansdowne pub in Cheltenham. So those people that know Cheltenham really well, it's that pub opposite the Texaco roundabout as you drive into Cheltenham. So there's a few reasons we've chosen that. One, it's got a really nice function room. It's got great parking. It's really well lit. It's really easy to find. It's very safe. Okay, so we'll be starting around about 7 o'clock in the evening. So there'll be a full bar, so you can come in, grab a bit of Dutch courage, have a glass of wine, and then we start the sort of formal bit about 7:30. So we're running that for a couple of hours, and then at 9:30 we'll be finishing that part. And then feel free to chat to myself, Liane. There'll probably be other relationship coaches there, or you might want to continue a conversation with someone that you've met for the first time that evening. Who knows? Okay. So Liane, you saw the venue for the first time the other week. What did you think?
Oh, I liked it because it's a very lovely room. So we are not crammed in. It's airy. We have a lot of space to set up the tables that we can mingle people. I wanted to say as well, when you're on your own, so you're coming on your own to the event, don't be afraid. You can always reach out to us. There will be other people there on their own. That's the whole point of introducing people to each other. You also are not obliged to stay after the formal part. That's really up to you. It's very relaxed. We want to make it something you enjoy. So there is a lot of, decision on your part, how much you want to get involved or how much you just check it out first until you feel safe enough to involve yourself. That's absolutely fine.
Yeah, that's really important. I mean, we have a real key thing on feeling safe and just enjoying the whole event. So you get involved as much or as little as you want to. I guarantee you're going to meet some really nice people with a similar open mind towards themselves and learning and meeting other people. So we can't, again, 3rd, 17th of July. Booking details will be up shortly if they're not there on the website already. You'll be able to, by the way, you'll be able to book confidentially, so no one's going to know you're actually there. It's not something we're publicising on the Facebook group site, who's coming or anything like that. It'll be completely confidential booking system. You can let people know if you want. That's great. But that's up to you. And one thing important to us to note really is we'll be doing everything we can do to make it safe for everybody. And we're obviously expecting everybody else to do the same too. So, it's about meeting people, it's about having fun, it's about learning about yourself and relationships. And I can't wait to get you there. Have a great time, and then you tell us how we can do it even better. Would be great.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too.
See you there.
See you there.
Bye.